Good evening, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Thulisile Kolweni, and today I am filming in the evening, so I can't wait to see how this turns out. It's 7:45, and that's the time I'm filming this video. And yeah, in today's video I'm coming back with something not new, just something I haven't done in my YouTube channel. So I'm gonna do easy styles, quick and easy styles on how to style your natural hair. So I was just wearing my hair like this at work, and excuse me if I look in that direction. I have a mirror there, so that's where what I'm gonna use, or where I'm gonna be looking. Hopefully it's not too distracting. Anyways, let's get into this video. All right, first things first, before you do anything to your natural hair or to your hair, you need to spritz water. So I have water in this bottle right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna spritz water, and so that it's gonna be easy for me to manipulate my hair. So let's do that. So guys, there is different types of hair. There is low porosity hair and there is high porosity hair. So I have a low porosity hair. What basically that means, it actually means that your hair takes time to actually absorb water, or for your hair to actually be fully saturated into water, like to be like drenching in water. That's what it means. And if you have a low porosity hair type, it also means that your hair tends to get dry, like your hair doesn't really retain moisture. It doesn't keep moisture for too long. So yeah, so this is gonna take a few, and this bottle spritz so nice, and it's very easy. When your hair is wet, guys, you can actually do anything with your hair, because you can easily manipulate your hair. And yeah, so and another tip that I would actually give away for someone who is natural, or wants to be natural, and they don't know how to start or with the natural hair journey, I would actually advise you to watch a lot of YouTube videos. I have a good friend of mine, her name is Heather Bongi on Instagram. I'll just link her stuff in the description box. Her name is Heather_Bongi, BONGIE. She is an expert in this, and also you can watch what's her name, Sinovuyo Mondliwa. She's also like natural hair content creator, and Yours channel. So those are the people that you can watch from South Africa. I do have other people that I watch from Nigeria and America. But yeah, so that's my hair now. With, you see the elasticity, like hair is bouncy, and it's even easy to comb your hair when it's wet. and you need to massage your hair, your scalp, which is the tips of your hands, and just do that. It helps with blood circulation. Just massage. What? Now that I am done massaging my hair, I have to say that even on your wash day, like you will wash your hair, condition your hair, put treatment, either it's protein treatment, or it's like a deep conditioner, or it's like an intense deep moisture treatment, and you do all the steps that you need to do. Like when you are washing your hair, it's very important that you don't scratch your scalp with your nails. You actually use the tips of your fingers and just let the water run through and rinse off the shampoo or the conditioner. And also I'll say, when you are, it's always advisable that you use cold water, because especially once you are done, maybe you can like use like lukewarm water, but mostly like almost cold water while you are washing your hair. Don't use like very like hot water. And then with your conditioner, and then when you're using all these treatments that you're going to be using when you're doing your wash hair day, I'll always advise that you use cold water, because cold water, especially if you're going to do like protein treatment, like all the treatments actually, I can't really say if you're going to say if you're going to do a protein treatment, intense hydrating treatment, a deep condition, you're going to deep condition your hair, I'll always advise you to use cold water, because cold water actually locks in the moisture into your hair, because there are shampoos that strip away your natural oils that your scalp produces, so that your hair can grow healthy, so that you can grow healthy hair. So I'll always advise you to use cold water. And I know some people are gonna say it's cold. You can use cold water, and then if you wanna increase your body temperature, then you can, to wash yourself, let's say you wash your body as well, so you can wash your hair with cold water, and then for your body you can to rinse off all the let's say you're under a shower, you're not in the salon, you're at home, because I do my hair at home. I don't go to the salon, or I don't let anyone do my hair unless I'm gonna do braids or something that I really can't do myself. So use cold water. It actually helps to retain moisture to your hair, unlike warm water, because warm water, not that it's a bad idea, but I will always advise you to use warm water. Not that it's a bad idea for you to use hot water. If you prefer it, you can, but especially now that it's summer, like it's not that cold, you don't really need your water to be that warm, so anyways, let's get into the important stuff. So I'm gonna first comb my hair. I am now detangling my hair. also when you are washing your hair, when you're putting the conditioner on, start detangling your hair from there, with your fingers and with your brush, your detangling brush. It also helps. Like I always say, if you don't have the time to detangle your hair, don't touch it, because your natural hair needs time for it to detangle, for you to be able to detangle it. It looks so, but it's actually not so at all, because my hair is wet, and because I have detangled it with the comb first before I could put through my brush. Like there's not like massive like hair shredding, like my hair is not shredding, like that's all the hair that I've lost. Okie dokie, now that my hair is nice and detangled, I'm gonna start doing the first hairstyle. There we go. Honestly, it depends on how straight do you want the line to be, but yeah, it doesn't have to be perfect, but if you want it to be, you can. And hairstyle number 1. I like to call this long walk because this look is very iconic in South Africa. This look is inspired by Tata Nelson Mandela. Tata Nelson Mandela. So there we go. I call it long walk. And now style number 2. There we go, style number 2, and this one I like to call it side piece. Right, then if you want, you can leave that side and braid from this side too. This is a halfway mohawk, and this is style number 3. And with this one, you can also do it with a gel. Just slick in your gel to like this, and then without you having to braid, because this can be very difficult with you twisting your arm and everything. So yeah. And now style number 4, I am gonna do a halfway up and halfway down. So I'm gonna have, honestly, I always feel like my fingers do some of this parting my hair way better than a comb would. So it doesn't, the line doesn't have to be straight. Then what you do is you pull from the top and you just work your way in there. Don't make it too tight because you don't want to have headache. You can lay your edges if you want to and look all natural, and that is style number 4. And then we continue to style number 5. Now with style number 5, you're just continuing with what you already have on. You just have 2 big buns. And just like that, you have a style number 5. And yeah. Number 6. Like I said, I have low porosity hair, and because I'm now doing a hairstyle, I'm manipulating my hair a lot. I need to spritz water because it doesn't really retain moisture. There we go. This, my friend, is your style number 6. This is just wearing your afro as natural as it is, just combed and detangled and nice and, you know, volume, yeah, you know, yeah. And this is your style number 6. And if you like, also you have a edge control. Do your edges, honey, and look slick and cute. In style number 7, I am gonna use what I have here, which is an elastic band, and I'm just gonna put it like that and do that and just push it in there. Just push it in there. Like that. That is style number 7. And then for style number 8, we are just gonna take off this and brush the hair up. And just like that, you are done. We have style number 8. My 8 easy and quickly hairstyles for your natural hair or for your C hair style. So yes, sharing with you. Hopefully you've learned something from my hair tips to how I did my hairstyles. And I would like to say thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed. If you're my regular, thank you for subscribing and thank you for coming back. And if you are new here, please welcome, honey. This is home. You get to witness me doing the things that I love. So welcome to the team, and please don't forget to subscribe down somewhere down here, and click the subscribe button and become part of the family. All right. And if you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up and a comment down below on what you would like to see me do next. Would you like me to do more hair tips and demonstration on how I do my styles and everything else that involves hair, natural hair? And yeah, thank you so much, guys. And of course, I love makeup, so also you can put that in there. So yeah, thank you so much, guys, and thank you so much for watching. Here, And yeah, thank you so much guys for watching this video. I really do appreciate all the love and the support. Like honestly, you guys keep me sane, and you guys are the one that are pushing me to try new things and challenge myself. So I really appreciate it. Like I'm slowly becoming myself more in front of the camera for you guys. So thank you so much and have a great evening. Bye.